Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use YouTube's Picture-in-Picture on Windows 10 using Google Chrome. So the first thing I'll open is Google Chrome here, and we need to go to this option here, the menu, and go to Help and About Google Chrome and make sure we're running version 70. If you're not running version 70, you should update here automatically to version 70. So once you've got version 70 installed, you can go over to YouTube. I'm just looking at one of my videos here. I'm going to click the play button, and what you can do is while the video is playing you can double right click with the right mouse button. So we'll double right click with the right mouse button and you'll see this option, Picture in Picture. So when I click that, the video will be separated away from the video player here, and we can go over to somewhere like bbc.co.uk and we can continue surfing the internet. We can resize this, we can increase the volume as well, but I'm having it low so we can hear what I'm saying here right now. So you can see, look, the picture's still rolling. You can move it to different points on the screen and you can continue surfing the internet. You can even minimize it and just have it playing the YouTube video straight from your desktop, so you don't need to be viewing YouTube now to actually watch the video. I can put that right here, for example. That's quite cool. This is quite a new thing that I found, so I thought I'd share that with you. So if you're doing some sort of YouTube tutorial, or if you're following some instructions, or if you're watching maybe a video or there's some music playing on YouTube and you want that in the background, or you want to see the video content while you're working on maybe, let's say, a spreadsheet document, so you can go ahead and continue working on your spreadsheet while that video is playing. So I hope you find that tutorial useful. I've used it quite a few times and I find it quite useful. And that's how you go about using Picture-in-Picture YouTube on Windows 10 using Google Chrome. I'm sure you can do this on Apple Mac as well, and probably on Linux as well, but you need to be running the latest version of Google Chrome, which is version 70. Okay, if I close this window and then go back to YouTube, you'll see the videos here and it's paused, and we can just continue playing it from here. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.